In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw horizontal and vertical lines in Microsoft Word. By the end, you'll know 3 quick ways to add clean dividers and guides that make your documents easier to read and more professional. Let's begin with the fastest option for horizontal lines, using Word's auto format. Place your cursor on a blank line where you want the separator to appear. Type 3 hyphens or 3 underscores or 3 equal signs and then press Enter. Word instantly converts what you typed into a full-width horizontal line that stretches across the page. Each character creates a slightly different style, so if you want a different look, try the other options and pick the one you prefer. If you change your mind, press Undo, or place your cursor just above the line and press Backspace to remove it. This kind of line stays aligned with your margins and moves naturally as you add or remove text above it. Next, let's draw a line using the Shapes tool for more control over placement and style. Go to Insert, choose Shapes, and then select the line from the Lines section. Your cursor turns into a crosshair. Click where you want the line to start and drag to where you want it to end. If you want the line perfectly horizontal or vertical, hold the Shift key while you drag. Once it's placed, you can fine-tune its length by dragging the end handles, or move it by dragging the line itself. With the line selected, you'll see formatting options that let you change the color, thickness, and style, like dashed or solid. This method is perfect when you need a line in a specific spot, such as beneath a headline or alongside an image. Finally, for vertical lines that sit neatly next to text, use paragraph borders. Click inside the paragraph where you want the line, then go to Home, open the Borders menu in the Paragraph group, and choose Borders and Shading. In the dialog, select either left border or right border to place a vertical line along that side of the paragraph. You can adjust the style, color, and width right there before applying it. If you want the line to span multiple lines of text, select several paragraphs first and apply the same border. To remove it later, return to the Borders menu and choose No Border. This approach is great for side notes, call-outs, or visual emphasis that stays anchored to your text. To recap, use auto format for quick horizontal separators, Shapes for precise placement and styling, and paragraph borders for clean vertical lines alongside text. Try each method and choose the one that fits your layout.